This is me, Uluk Bak, an ESL instructor at the Intensive English Institute at the University of Illinois. In today's tutorial, I just would like to talk about some of the online dictionaries. So most of my students actually use online dictionaries, and majority of them use these dictionaries, google.com/dictionary. I think it's a pretty good dictionary. Like if I write a word stuff here, so you can see some of the examples, you can see a definition here, and also you can see examples from these websites, but we don't see the pronunciation one, so there is no audio, but still we can see the examples. And almost like 90% of my students actually know this website, dictionary.com, and I think it's also a pretty, good dictionary because at least it has
stuff.
this audio here, and we can see some examples here. So these are good dictionaries, but I'm afraid that they are not research informed, corpus-based, and learner-friendly dictionaries. So what do I mean by these kind of academic phrases? Well, I think there are other online dictionaries which are learner-friendly, corpus-based, and also research-informed. And one of them is Cambridge Dictionary. Another one is Macmillan Dictionary, and the other one is Wordnik, suggested by one of my colleagues at the institute. So let me start with Cambridge, okay? So as you can see, Cambridge, online dictionary, first of all, is for free, and also it has several sections. So dictionary for learners, so which is intended for upper intermediate and also intermediate students, and advanced for advanced learners. It has also a section that's called American English, idioms, and phrasal verbs. So you can actually choose whatever section you want to learn. But let's start with Advanced Learners Dictionary. So as you can see, the icon also has changed here. So I'm interested in learning a word effort, okay? Effort. Okay, so, oops. So let me click here. So let me make it bigger. So as you can see, I can see the phonetics. Unfortunately, I don't see any like an audio icon. So, but even though it doesn't have an audio icon, but I can already see, right? It can be the count noun or non-count noun, and I can see this very short definition, and also I can see a couple of examples with some useful, suggestions here. So effort plus to infinitive is going to come after that. And you can also see that some of the words here are highlighted, right? So make an effort. So I can see that it's not do an effort, it's make an effort. And I can see these two here, the usage of two. And I can also see some of the highlighted words. So these highlighted words means that we have to be careful whenever we learn these words because this word usually comes with these prepositions or with these types of, verb. So we have to be aware of these things. So as you can see, this dictionary is giving us collocational information by highlighting some of the important words. And another dictionary that I really like is MacmillanDictionary.com. It is also corpus-based, and I think it's user-friendly. Let's type the same word, okay? So effort, and as you can see, it's already giving me some of the words that are related to effort, or in an alphabetical order here. So after I do this one, so it's giving me a couple of choices, so I'm interested in the noun form. So yes, it's right here. So, well, in this dictionary, I can actually hear the pronunciation, right?
Effort.
Okay, thank you. So, and I can see, and some of the most frequently used phrases, chunks, are already here for me. So I can see a definition, but as well as these things, right? And I can see these examples, right? So an effort to do something, and the example is the restructuring was part of an effort to boost company profits, and other examples, right? Make little or / no effort. The example is that the drivers made no efforts to check their vehicles. So I think that's a pretty good learner-friendly dictionary because it's giving us these chunks instead of just words. And another very good thing about this dictionary, I love this because as you can see, each word is clickable. So imagine I don't know the word boost, right? When I click the word boost here, so it's going to take me to the to this word, and I can just check the actually definition of this word. So it means to help something to increase, improve, become more successful. Oh, now I know this one. So and I can go back, and I can still check the words, and probably now I can understand this sentence better. Why? Because I already know the word boost. So this is the good feature about this dictionary. Another one is really good about this dictionary is that for example, here you can see what are red words, right? So when I click, so it says, so 90% of the time speakers of English use just 7,500 words in speech and writing. These words appear in red and are graded with stars. 1-star words are frequent, 2-star words are more frequent, and 3-star words are the most frequent. So, which already implies that I have to know this word, because this word is used frequently. I mean, and according to their research, it's the most frequent word. So it basically gives these kinds of useful hints to learners which words are important to learn. So that's one of the reasons I like this dictionary. Okay, and the last but not least one is called wordnig.com, suggested by one of my colleagues. So let's type the same word here, effort. Okay, effort, I can see. So I actually can see the definitions here, right? So lots of meanings, lots of entry meanings. Oh, here's the pronunciation part.
Effort.
Okay.
Effort.
So I can hear that. And also I can see some of the examples, right? And the word has been highlighted for me. But pay attention to one thing, that the examples are actually from real source. What do I mean by real source? That it is taken either from magazines or newspapers or journals or other online articles. So that's why you can see these references here, right? So that I think that's a good feature about that. And also we can see some of the related words here, right? So synonyms here, right? And synonyms here too. If you would like to see them like separately, you can actually go and click, related words, and you can see them in a single page. Or if you would like to see the examples, you can also check them out like this. So now you can see lots of examples from different online resources. So I think by using this dictionary, you will be able to see the usage of these words in real examples, like either from blogs or from newspapers or online magazines and journals. So I hope that you find this this tutorial useful. So I hope that now you can add actually 3 more online dictionaries into your list. Not only dictionary.com, Google dictionary.com. Now you have 3 other choices: Cambridge Online Dictionary, Macmillan Online Dictionary, and Wordnig Online Dictionary. So have fun with learning English, and if you have any questions, you can post your questions on the YouTube. Okay. Cheers. Bye.